So we are in an 05 or 06 Cobalt. This car has character. So we're gonna do a quick drive and then we're just gonna talk about it because it's awesome. As you can see, I have a big smile on my face. So, welcome to another review. I'm with Michael. This is his 05, 06 Cobalt. It's got a 2.2 liter and it's rocking a whole bunch of stuff that we're gonna go through. This car is, well, it's a little bit sketchy, I'm not gonna lie.
Yep.
It's got a wider stance in the front than it should, and it feels super weird when you go around the corners. It's on coilovers that are
Pretty bouncy.
They're pretty bouncy, yeah. They're solid. They're like, the ride is stiff, and if you were on a smooth road, but for daily driving and bouncing around in the corners, they're definitely entertaining is the word I'm gonna use. You're just not quite sure what's gonna happen. Back end is a little bit light, but predictable, and bounces around in a way that it kind of makes sense. So bear with that. I will say it's got a short shifter in it. Feels amazing. It's mounted on aluminum bushing, so there's no play when you go through it, but it still has a nice soft feel compared to like a race shifter or something that's just like super hard. This is something you can thank you, definitely daily. I'm gonna let Michael talk about this a little bit, just because this is one of those cars, the more you look at it, the more details you take in, the more you appreciate it, and the more you realize how much, you know, blood, sweat, and tears is in it. So let's start with like the motor. What do we do here? What's going on?
It's got a intake, like a K&N Typhoon intake, 2.4 intake manifold that is known to flow a little better. LSJ header off the supercharged one, same thing, just known to flow a little better. It's got a ZZP strut bar on it. That's pretty much it for the engine. It's got stance V2 coilovers set up by Powell, and it's got headlights from an SS, I think they're from. They're black on the inside, and it's all stock. We didn't take them apart and do that.
That's the difference on the SS headlights. There you go.
It's got the 15x9 wheels, party hat fat fucks. For the interior, it's got some stuff swapped out of an LS model, so it's all black. It's got chrome knobs on the radio, the steering wheel, short shifter, Crown Royal shift boot, Alcantara headliner. It's got a cool little mod for the reverse lights, where the trunk button used to be. Pull that. This little light comes on telling you it's on, and your reverse lights will come on, and then you just close this, let it go off, and shuts off the switch. Little touches like that.
How long do you have the car?
I had it about a year and a half. It was completely stock, no mods, driven by a chick to college. It had 300,000 kilometers on it. It's fun.
It makes good noises.
Yeah, from the intake to the exhaust, it's always making some kind of noise.
So, this car is making, like, for power,
I'd say 170.
170, okay.
It's 150 stock,
yeah. So a little bit more. It's not a heavy car.
No, 2,900 pounds.
And what do you run in quarter mile?
16.8.
Okay, so nothing to write home about there.
Still stock engine, 330,000 kilometers, and ticking strong.
Good shifter feel. Very good shifter feel.
It's a short throw with aluminum bushing, so there's no movement to it, other than when you're going in and out of gear.
I'm enjoying this car. This is fun. This is a fun little car. It's got some bounce. There could be some dampening work done. I don't think I've driven a car with this much oscillation in the suspension ever.
what it is.
Overall, the car's package is
Something
pretty
we
good.
enjoy.
So I gotta find something. It doesn't drone at all.
No, it did with the other exhaust setups, but
Right.
we're so picky with exhaust, and
It sounds really good, and it's loud, but it's not like stupid.
yeah,
And there's
beehive.
Not beehive, and there's no drone. Like really good. This car turn a lot of heads.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
lots. Everybody in town, you pull up beside it, you're racing them. You just have to. Seem like a bitch if you don't.
Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah. So tell me about 9601 a little bit.
It's just, it started out, we had this little Sunfire we took to the track and we ripped the interior out and we got it down to 14.5 quarter mile with stock engine. And then people are starting to look at us and kind of watch what we do, so let's start a little race team. We'll throw the stickers on our buddy's car if we help him out. So if you ever see it out and about, the car was touched by us in some way or another.
Cool. So yeah, make sure you guys give them a like or follow at 601 Racing on Instagram, and some fun stuff on there. And they have a lot of cars.
Up to 7 now.
7 cars. You're getting on to being a full-on car guy, car enthusiast when you own 7 cars. I mean, the argument could be that if you have one car that's nice, or so puts you into the car guy category. But when you have 7, like there's no arguing. This car, character. Look at this air intake on the bottom. Just extra heat extraction through Sawzall. I'm too hot. I don't know what else to say about it than that. Thanks for watching this video. Click like, subscribe. Yeah. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.